How's it, guys? How's it, everyone? How's it? 3 minutes until the New York session open. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Try and make some money today. We've been on a good run so far. We've actually been on a really good run so far. 2 minutes left until the New York Stock Exchange open. Another minute left, guys. With the YouTube comments here. Plus is dumping. Let's see. US30 also dumping. looking bearish on Nasdaq at the moment, guys. Same with US30. So we just inverse this 1 hour gap here. Okay. So now what we're doing today, we're looking at Nasdaq and US30, guys. No, I don't do any account management. I do not do. Alpha Sanat is here also. Everyone is here. Let's chop today, guys. Let's try and chop today. US30 looks like it's in a solid here. So yeah. Should have probably entered here actually. It's too late now. Too late. It's a perfect song. Let's see, but let's just I'll keep an eye how it plays out. Let us actually set up right there. Let's see from that. Let's see if it actually plays out. If it actually does come back, I might take the sell. I might actually take the sell if it comes back. So we can keep an eye on it. Nasdaq, what's happening Nas? Right. We just inversed this 1 hour gap here. So we're looking for a pullback here. The shorts look good today, guys. Shorts look good. A stop loss on go just we can go there. Yesterday was a good trade. We had a very good trade. We were actually kind of technically we were kind of stopped out with the on trading view, but HFM kept us in. The spreads were good, so kept us in. Yo, NAS dumped and dumped and dumped. It's coming back, yeah. Okay, we had a breakout now. We're waiting for a retest of this FVG, yeah. It's a small SL, so yeah, use that is playing out as expected. But I want that retest. Retest, we wait for retest. We don't just we do. There was a retest technically there. Now we're just gonna wait. Is there any if we do take the sell, this is our break-even point here. Alright, that's our break-even point. There isn't really any low resistance liquidity on the sell side. There's more here. Basically we have stripped all this, so as I came back, let's see how this thing reacts. I wanna see a bearish close here below. Okay, we rejected. We need to wait for candle closure, guys. Very important, we wait for candle close. We're not taking the trade until we get a candle close. Came back to where I wanted it to. Okay, get ready to enter, guys. Wait, I'll tell you when now. Okay, I'm entering now. Nasdaq, selling Nasdaq now. Be careful. Remember, guys, what I told you guys, it is news today. So just be aware of that. Right, just be aware of that. There is news today, so be careful. Okay, so just be careful. We have Nyse in about 20 minutes or so. Okay, break even points. Where are we going break even? Let's see. Break even. Don't trust too much, please, guys. I'm warning you guys. There is news today. There is news at 4 o'clock. I'm warning you. So don't go too big. Don't risk your whole account, whatever. If the news does go against us, we will blow our accounts. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up, man. Please, you have been warned. Okay. Okay, so we're targeting, yeah. So we're targeting break even. Let's flip the, isn't really, this is not a proper, not the best of trades actually. Isn't much liquidity, there isn't much low resistance liquidity earlier. Just pushed up. Yeah, so we are facing this bearish fair value gap here. That's what basically what we're competing with here. So we're just gonna wait and see. We're just gonna be patient. Don't lose too much of your account. See how this goes. Maybe a second map, we can stop that. Single stop loss is what it is. Okay, it looks like we're not beating SL on this one. Let's see how this goes. We're rejecting of this fair value gap. 50% of the fair value gap there. Come on. Okay, nice rejection. Very nice rejection. Oh god. Never mind. Spoke too soon. That's about to take us out. Stop loss is here, I'll just here actually. Okay. So take us out. Okay, took us out there. I'm out of this one, guys. I'm out. Okay. Yeah, out of this one, guys. We find the re-entry. We'll try and find a re-entry. Actually, if this closes here, I would actually think of taking a buy or sell. So let's see something here because we are delivering this 5 minutes. Let me just see something. Okay, so it is rejecting. Flip this. Look at that. Okay, we took about 300 pip loss here. Just we find a re-entry now. Let's try and find a re-entry. Okay, so we're gonna try to find a re-entry, guys. We're just gonna wait now. I reckon we'd rather just wait a bit, wait for it to come. Then we'll get a nice one, hopefully. Okay, this didn't even play out properly. If this goes as bullish, I will take buys here. I will target that high there. So we'll wait for this to sell B here, TP there. If this goes as bullish. If we get a bullish candle, we'll close there. We'll take a trade here of this IFEG. So 10 seconds left. We can take a trade now as soon as this thing closes. Okay, you can enter now, guys. Enter buys now. US30 buys. Buy US30 now. It's looking. Oh shit! It bumped up. Okay, it's going. Hopefully, it's TP. Come on. Come on. Almost there. We'll hold maybe for a bit longer. I think probably. I don't think many of you got it in one time here. It's great. It's coming back here. If you can still enter, guys. You can still enter if you want to use 30. Use 30 buys. Okay, you can still enter if you didn't have it entered yet. Nasdaq as well. You can enter buys on Nasdaq if you want. Right here as well. Try and enter buys, yeah. So those the TP target on this one. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Break even will go break even on US 30 maybe there. This will be our first TP, yeah. Come on, US 30. US30 is going good. Okay, so US30, well, he has just hit TP1. Nasdaq is in a bit of consolidation there, slight consolidation. Okay, US30 is looking good. Come on. Come on, US30. Nasdaq, not that good right now. Okay, we're pushing. Come on. US30, come on. You should be recovered by now with US30. You should be recovered. You should be recovered, guys. Beautiful profits right there. How's it going, guys? Let me know what's happening in the chat. Casey, bro. You can. I reckon close Nasdaq if you want. US30. Let the US30 trade run. Let's see how this thing moves. If you want to close the Nasdaq, we'll focus on US30 because US30 is doing well. But Nasdaq is also getting there. I think you can look off that. Let's see. Nasdaq, like I say, go break even here if you want. Or if you close now, US30, you should be break even by now. Like right now, you should be break even. We chopped here, guys. Both US30 and Nasdaq. You cannot tell me that you didn't make a recovery of the previous trade unless you over leveraged the first trade and you blew your account. I don't know how you can actually blow your account there, but you should be. I gave you both Nasdaq and US30 trades. Should be in profits right now. US30 over. If you entered like there somewhere there, so you should be up about 800 pips. 800 pips here. Nasdaq, you should be up about 400 pips. So profit is there. We've showed you guys. Yeah, we got the re-entry. Perfect. Sorted, guys. Secure your trades. Hold your trades. I'm secure. I closed my Nasdaq trade. I wasn't too happy with the way it was moving there. With US30, you see the reason why with US30 I expected we had a nice inversion here. Nasdaq, we were playing around a lot here, so I didn't really take that seriously there. Here's live. This is, you can say, I mean, we are kind of in the trade already. Just secure your trade. US30 about to hit full TP. We're gonna hit about 1,200 pips here. Full TP gonna be hit any second now. Nasdaq almost there. Guys, I can tell you now, there's no one who's actually doing stuff like this. US30 and Nasdaq chopping it daily. There's no one really doing this. When we take wins, we bag. You like 100%. You guys should have made profit here. Everyone should have made profit here for sure. Still holding. Make sure SLs are break even, guys. SL has to be at break even, please. SL at break even if you're gonna hold. SL at break even, please, guys. I'm begging you. Use the T hit, the TP hit. Hold the runner, small runner. SL at break even, please. SL at break even. I'm begging you guys. SL at break even. I know some idiots will hold this trade and let it end up smoothing stop loss. Just SL at break even, please. There's news now. I don't want anyone to build their accounts. We did make profits here. Full TP. That's my full TP. This is New York session high. See, this was the open. You see, we opened here. That's at full TP hit right there. for US30. Nasdaq, we also basically did. We could have obviously targeted because the target was initially this, but because obviously we don't want a negative risk reward ratio, we had to hold the same longer. So US30 smashed 100, 1,200, 300 pips, and Nasdaq is still playing around. I'm hoping this thing can fully TP now. You can put your stop loss at break even. Come on, Nas. I'm waiting for you. US30, your sister, US30, or brother, whatever you call it, has already hit full TP. Waiting for you, Nasdaq. I just got a runner on US30 running. US30, Nasdaq, you can close it if you want. If you want to close it, close it. Just close it if you want. Look at that, you guys. Reverse right at the 9:30 open. That's an open, US30 open, yeah. Open, yeah, with the week up. And now look at it reversing. Nasdaq looks like it might be reversing from here. Wait, what? Okay. Guys, how much do you guys make? Let me know. I swear, some of you guys, I probably got one of the worst bunch of people in my community. Like, you guys are actually one of the most unresponsive people. I'm not trying to hate anyone, but like, if I'm looking at other communities and stuff like that, you guys comparing the type of traders that they have compared to type of traders that I have here. Like, I see these guys are a lot more responsive. These guys are a lot more active in chats. Yeah, I've only got like a handful of people. I can actually count with my fingers. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got about 7 people who are basically active in the chat here, and I've got only about 7 likes. That's basically it. But if I had to, and if you have to compare it to like other guys who are do the live streams and stuff, they've got a lot of other people as well. They've got a lot more people who are active, you know. So I don't know. Maybe like $21. People making money here. You guys need to be much more active, You need to be more active. Let me know how you're doing your trading. I want to see all these kind of stuff. I want to see kind of all this stuff. Don't be quiet. Tell me how's it going. Keep the chat lively. Keep the chat lively. Like, we need you to scream. Scream, what do you mean? I'm a scream. And jump. I'm still new here. No stress. If you're still new here, just join the lives. You will learn something daily. You will learn. You will end up learning if you continue sticking to the live streams. Trust me, you will learn. Today, the setup was simple. Just entry of his IFEG, V-shape IFEG. I'm an IFEG and taken there. Yeah, this was also an IFEG, but there was a lot of noise. We were rejecting a lot from this point here. So it wasn't the most perfect setup. That's why I was a bit skeptical with this setup here. So yeah, this 1 minute till news. Let's see how this goes. I'm on US30 still going strong. 30 seconds left till news, guys. Hope your SL is at entry, please. Nasdaq, come on, about to stop the TP. 10 seconds till news. Come on, 1 second. There's news. There we go. Nasdaq, US30. Nasdaq just hit full TP, guys. There's a news. I think you guys should close up. If you are kind of holding, I would rather close up now. Close shop, guys. I would say, and just hold the runner. That's all. Currently, I'm still holding the runner on US30. Nasdaq, we out to use Nasdaq. I'm not too sure. I don't think I've seen. You might have messaged Fatima. I don't think I've received a message from you. Or if you did, just send me again so I know. We're almost 200 for this live. That's good, bro. Let me know how much you guys made. I only see only 2 people. So from judging by the chat here, only 2 people make money. This person made $21. And another person made 200. If you're holding, I would say recommend you close. We did get about 1,000 pips in this trade. There we go. So guys, runner on US30. Let's hold this runner. Let's just hold this runner, guys. Okay, so US30 runner is going strong. It is rejecting now, so yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the live here. I will end the live here for the day. Another day we chopped. We took a loss about 300 pips. Then we made back 1,300 pips on US30, and then we made it back about 1,000 pips on Nasdaq. Actually, I didn't make this 1,000 pips because I closed earlier. I closed like somewhere here. I wasn't liking the price action, but this was it, guys. Pretty much. This was it, guys. Yeah. Let's check something. So we rejected off this 1 minute basically. This is 1 minute rejected one. There was another theoretic. Yeah, I think. How's your runners going, guys? How's your runners doing? Let me know. My runner's still going strong. Just had a break even, you can see. So yeah, guys, profit was made today. Losses are inevitable, of course, but you know, we make our money, we carry on. Losses are part of the game. That's why it's important. Risk management is very important. You take losses and okay, you take your losses, whatever. But the recovery is always going to be there, guys. Recovery is always going to be there. Another close TP. Both Nasdaq and US30 cooked. You guys should have made money today. No ways you didn't. Okay, we're gonna end the live here, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Currently, we're up this whole entire week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Currently, and last week as well, we've been cooking like we cooked like crazy. The entire week we cooked. Plus this week we cooked. So yeah, I don't know. People need more people need to be joining. They seriously, you guys, whoever's not joining, you're missing out big time. You're missing out big time. It's like a resistance point here. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Salam.